Hello friends, welcome to my video. Do you know there are some good apps that actually helps you to edit a pic like a pro? Today, let's get into Snapseed and HandyPhoto apps. I'm showing those on my Android phone. So first, let's edit this random pic with the help of Snapseed. I'm changing some effects in this pic. I want to increase the contrast and also brightness coming from the sun. Now I'm saving it. Now we will remove some stuffs in this pic with the help of HandyPhoto. Removing those vehicles, okay. Just click anywhere in the screen so it will process to delete unwanted stuff. This is the final picture. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time with some interesting and knowledgeable videos. Bye bye.